Tesla shared a striking video showcasing the decommissioning of the original Model S and Model X assembly line at its Fremont factory in Northern California. Completed in just 46 days, the teardown involved heavy machinery dismantling concrete pits, removing robotic arms and conveyors, and clearing the space for new production. The post, captioned "End of an Era," captured both the end of a historic chapter and Tesla's aggressive pivot toward its next major initiative, Optimus. End of an era. The decision to retire the Model S and Model X originated during Tesla's Q4 2025 earnings call in late January 2026. CEO Elon Musk announced that production of the company's flagship sedan and SUV would wind down by the end of Q2 2026, describing it as bringing the programs to an honorable discharge. Custom orders ceased around early April 2026, with the final vehicles rolling off the line in early May. A special signature delivery ceremony on May 20 marked the emotional close for these vehicles, which had defined Tesla's early success and luxury EV segment since the Model S launch in 2012. The primary reason for tearing down the lines was to repurpose the valuable factory floor space for high-volume production of Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot. Musk had indicated on earnings calls that the Fremont SX line would be replaced by a dedicated Optimus manufacturing line, targeting a capacity of 1 million units per year. Elon Musk outlines Tesla Optimus production expectations. This move aligns with Tesla's broader strategic shift from traditional vehicle manufacturing toward robotics and artificial intelligence, leveraging the company's expertise in autonomy, AI training, and high-volume production. Optimus, Tesla's general-purpose humanoid robot, is designed to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks in factories, warehouses, and eventually homes. Powered by Tesla's AI and neural networks, it aims to be a versatile, affordable platform. Production of Optimus Gen 3 is already underway in limited form at Fremont, with full-scale output on the converted line expected to begin in late July or August. Tesla is targeting rapid scaling, with internal ambitions pointing toward tens or even hundreds of thousands of units annually by the end of 2026. Longer term, Tesla is constructing a much larger second-generation Optimus facility at Giga, Texas, with potential capacity reaching millions of units per year. The company views Optimus as a transformative product that could eventually surpass its automotive business in scale and value, enabling widespread deployment of useful robots across industries. CEO Elon Musk has even predicted it would be the most popular product of all time. As one era closes at Fremont, another is rapidly taking shape. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.